from Bob Adams. This is reference to a recent purchase of my pressure washer. It's connected to the water. The water's on. Extension cord with electricity flowing is out here connected. You can see the electricity is in the connection. It is plugged in. We release the pressure from the wand. We'll turn on the electricity here to the washer. That's about all we'll get out of it, most likely. Electricity is going to the washer. It did spurt. The engine ran for a few seconds. As I use the pressure wand activated, there's no turning of the electric pump whatsoever. It's just the pressure coming from my holes from the house. She may or may not sporadically come on again, as has been the rule for the last time I tried using it, and today as well. There's no leaking from the wand itself. Seems to be everything secured there. No leaking from the holes in the back. That is secured.